Problem solving, adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing decimals. We will have completed our Reading Success Literacy program for adults by the time you are viewing this video. On the board in back of me, I've made some copies of the pages for one of the books. Now, paper comes basically in three sizes. The letter is 8.5 by 11. Legal size paper is 8.5 by 14. And the tabloid is 11 by 17. Now what we do, we have an artist draw the picture, and then we scan the picture in, and we place it inside a picture box over here. Where this book is in right now is 11 by 17. That's the size of the paper. And as you can see, this is the dividing point. Now this doesn't go to 0 over here because you made the picture larger. But you see, this is 8.5 to here, and it goes 8.5 to here, and 8.5 plus 8.5 would equal 17. And this will go from 0 up in here down to 11 inches. And that's how the book itself is 6 by 9. But the frame here, you see these little points highlighted? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the picture frame. And that's smaller. That's 5.5 by 8.5. Notice the decimal point. The width is 5.5. The book is 6 inches. So 0.25 is over here and 0.25 over here. This is where the book will be cut off. And this is 8.5. And notice it's decimal, not fractions. This is all in decimals down in here, except for percentage over here. And this is 8.5 or 8.5 inches, and the book is 9, so you have a 1/4 inch margin all around. And as you can see, you have to know decimals to work on a computer. These pictures are scanned in. We have the artist draw the pictures. Then we scan them in and put them into these picture boxes. Then we have also the text boxes. And this is a text box over here. You can see these points over here. They're highlighted. And then we have this mark over here. Highlights this text box. And we want to know the width of that text box. And that's 4.5 inches in width. That's the width. The height varies, depends how much text you have in the text box. But also notice, again we have that, remember the paper is, this is a tabloid, 11 by 17, and so 0 is over here, and from 0 to this text box line, x equals 3.25, or 3 1/4 inches. And so if you're going to work on a computer, you're going to have to learn to work with decimals. And when you lay out pages or whatever document you're working, you'll be constantly working with decimals. Now keep up the good work. After completing the problems on this page, take the test. And don't forget to double check your work. We have also provided double check and triple check additional helps and tests. Use them to help you master this unit.
Please work the problems and take the test in your workbook. Number Success, the practical way to learn.